In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Framer. Deleting pages might sound simple, but it's one of those actions you want to be completely sure about before you do it, especially if you're working on a live project or collaborating with a team. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also share a few tips so you don't accidentally remove something important. First, make sure you're logged into your Framer account and that you've opened the project where you want to delete a page. Once your project is open, look for the list of pages, usually on the left side of the screen in the Pages panel. Each page will appear as an item in that list. Now, find the specific page you want to delete. Take a moment to double check you've selected the correct one, especially if you have similar page names like Home, Home Copy, or Home Test. When you hover over that page in the panel, you should see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Kebab menu. Move your cursor over those 3 dots and click on them. This opens a small context menu with several options related to that page. Depending on your Framer version, you might see actions like duplicate, rename, or set as homepage. Among these options, you'll see one labeled delete. Before you click delete, pause for a second and make sure this is really the page you no longer need. If the page contains components or elements used elsewhere, you might want to quickly review them or duplicate the page first, just in case you need to refer back to it later. When you're ready, click on the delete option in that menu. Framer may prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete the page. If a confirmation dialog appears, read it carefully, then confirm the action. Once confirmed, the page will be removed from your Pages panel and will no longer be part of your project. After deleting, scan your project briefly to ensure everything still works as expected. Check your navigation, links, and any interactions that might have pointed to that page, and update them if necessary. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, click the 3 dots next to the page name, choose delete, confirm, and you're done.